Hello, and thank you for the emails I've received. I'll make this lesson 2, and I'll respond to some of the emails that I've received. Basically wanting just to quickly go over scores, sound and a background. Those are 3 that I wish to respond to. And so, following on from the last game, what do I need to do? I need to set up a variable. I tend to keep the X position stuff toward the top, and then scores, lives and stuff would go underneath. So if I was to add the new character in, I would add it near this part. And so let's start off with, let's have a look. Score equals 0. So we've set that up. So it's pretty straightforward now. I need to go to if the mouse key is pressed and there's a collision between the mushroom and the crosshair, randomize it on the screen, and score will equal score plus 1. And that's pretty much it. Score equals score plus 1. If score equals 5, end if. And that's the scoring system created. But what I will need to do, as I mentioned before, I like to put it in the main loop. So we would put in print score, and it'll be plus string, strn actually, plus string, and it'll be score, and that should hopefully print out on the screen. So let's compile and run. We've got score, and the score is going up. So pretty straightforward piece of code to do that. Hit number 5 and end it. In my media folder I've got a background.png, so let's put that in. So we're going to have load image 3, background.png. There will be a mistake that's going to happen here. Let's see if we can remember it. So it's load the background, and background is 3. So background equals 3. So we've called that. Now we're going to create sprite background 3, and I haven't put in X coordinates and Y coordinates, because by not putting them in it's going to fill the screen. And I don't need to set the sprite position either. It's because it's just going to be put. There are no X coordinates to call. So let's compile it and let's run and see what happens. And same mistake as last time. There's no the image is overlaid, so it's not on top of the other images. So I need to move this up to call it first. It's a mistake that I make quite a few times. Let's try it again. And now we've got our game looking a little bit better. I've got one more thing to do then, that's the sound. So again, just undo that. Did that undo? Yes. Load sound 4. Phaser.wav. That's from within the file. Again, I'll put all the images here and the sounds here. So that would be now. If there's a collision, let's play sound 4 and then increase the score. Let's compile it and see what happens. Could not determine parameter 4. Phaser of load sound. Phaser.wav. Yep. That won't be right. And you can see the mistake. I didn't put the comma in. Let's try it again. No. Line 63. Play sound 4 will need to be a few mistakes in one go there. And now we should see it. Not actually playing any sound. That's because the sound was down on my computer, so let's turn up a little bit more and try it again. So, one of those days where there's a few mistakes happening, and let's quickly go over them. And I basically forgot to put a comma in there, and then I forgot to play sound with the brackets over it. So there you can see very quickly we've got some sounds in, and we've got a background in. I hope you found that interesting and you can use those code snippets to jazz your game up. Again, thank you very much for watching.